Okay guys, good afternoon. This is the highway going to Macrohon and Maasin, and this is also the residence of Consor. The residence of Consor Multis, and this highway also is going to Padre Burgos. And now I will proceed to the ongoing construction building. Ongoing construction building house of Mr. and Mrs. Cherry and Greg Ballets. This is also the church, the Faith Tabernacle Church, near the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Cherry Ballets. I'm here now the ongoing construction building house of Mr. and Mrs. Ballets. I will proceed. Okay, this is now the happening this afternoon.
Kaya orang baliktaron sila.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Where is Bobong? Where is Bobong? Because I will ask a question about the situation. I asked the situation of the happening this afternoon about the ongoing construction building house of Mr. and Mrs. Cherry Ballets. Obong, good afternoon. Say something. What is the happening this afternoon?
Ikaw na lang may kuhan sa kuhan ha.
Okay, I will translate.
Nagparang namin para tayo na sa halubrak.
Okay. According to Bobong, the construction building house of Mr. and Mrs. Cherry Ballets is now ongoing to build. Okay, the workers are there upstairs.
Kanya sila dire kasi nagkuhan sa kanang beam.
Okay. They connect beam. Okay. Ongoing construction building house. Where is engineer?
So dito, zero?
Is engineer around in this ongoing construction building house? Okay, you now proceed because I am distracting your work. Proceed. Okay, this is now the happening this afternoon. The house is now ongoing to build. Bong! What day? What day for today? Day?
Zero, Wednesday.
What day?
14. 15 days.
Okay, day 15. According to the workers, day 15 now. And the building starts now to finish soon.
No, Father.
Okay, that is engineer. Okay, thank you for watching.